Hey, welcome to episode 46 of Credit 101. In this episode, I want to teach you guys about adding a statement to your credit report. Now, the statement is basically going to be some type of explanation about why your credit looks the way it does. That's all it really is. So you guys are allowed to add a statement to all three credit bureaus. So you can contact all three credit bureaus, and I have an example for Equifax where they tell you their steps on adding the statement, but you can call all three credit bureaus. You can also, if you have like an online account on Equifax, you can do it right online. You can add a statement there to say whatever you want to say. You can add it right online, or you can give them a call, but I would suggest that if you want to add something, just add it to all three credit bureaus, because when they pull your credit reports, whoever you apply for, they'll be able to see that statement. You can add it or remove it at any time. Now, sometimes you guys may have identity theft. They'll automatically add a statement for you, or you can add an additional statement just saying, hey, call me at this number if you want to extend credit to me. And I have to do that previously, and sometimes when I apply for credit cards, they have to call me and I have to do some type of additional type of verification, but that's good. That's better than having identity theft. And I usually most likely have my credit reports locked anyway, so they can't even pull my credit reports unless they're unlocked. But after you see that they're unlocked, you pull my credit reports, contact me. You guys can put that same thing on there. Now, remember, this is free. You don't have to pay for this. You can add that statement on without having to pay additional money. So if you want to add that statement on, just contact them. They should not ask you for any money, you guys. Adding a statement to your credit reports is free. Okay, it's free. And like I said, you can add it online. You can call the credit bureaus or you can add it online. So here is what Equifax said about adding a statement to your credit reports. So here it is right here. So yes, you can add a statement to your Equifax credit reports, and it can be up to 475 characters. So it's going to express any type of disagreements on the outcome of a dispute. So say if you try to delete an account, they won't update it. You could put something on there like, hey, that Midland account that you see on there, that information should be removed. I'm in the process of suing this company. Whatever you want to say on there, whatever you want to put on there. Anything that's like missed payments, you could put, hey, I have missed payments because of COVID, or whatever you want to put on there. You can put that on your report. Now, remember, you can add, edit, and delete this statement at any time. Okay, so once that account get deleted, you put something on there about it, you can just remove it. And they say that you can contact them, or you can do a written request. You can do a request. You can mail them a letter saying what you want on there, and they'll add it on there. But I do suggest that you just go online, or if you want to, just call them. And here's the information right here. You can call them at their phone number, and they're available 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And that's Monday through Friday. And then 9 to 6 p.m. And that's on Saturday and Sunday. So a lot of people always say, Rickita, I'm just so busy. I'm working, but I tell them to remove addresses. Call the credit bureaus on the weekend if you need to. Please call them. I will call them anytime. Like, I will bug them, because credit is very, very important, you guys. You're most likely paying too much interest on your car loan, your house, on credit cards too. You can get 0% APR credit cards, so you can hold a balance, and you holding a balance on a credit card that's charging 29% just because you want to call the credit bureaus or you want to send out a letter. So please call the credit bureaus. We're going to go over to episode 47, and in episode 47, we're going to talk about adding some information to your credit reports just so you can look more favorable. So I'll see you over at episode 47.